Good afternoon, good afternoon. It's Raj. Oh, hang on. Raj from Sikh Wills here, specialising in wills, trusts, powers of attorney, inheritance tax planning, funeral plans and probate. So I'm here to break the taboos and discuss topics and just talk about things that people in our community don't want to talk about. It's a bit of a special one, special topic I want to discuss today. By the way, I'm just outside Sikh Wills headquarters in lovely Royal Leamington Spa. So headquarters is just there. Sikh Wills headquarters is just there. Okay. So as I mentioned, it's a bit of an interesting topic I'm going to discuss today. A couple of years ago, I had a client that wanted for me to go and see him to do a will. So I went over, saw him, in the evening, and discussed everything. I said, "This is what you need, and this is the reason why you need it." His estate was over the inheritance tax threshold. Some of you will probably know that for single people, it's you get an allowance of £325,000. For married couples, you get £650,000. Anything above that, you get charged 40% tax. And he was above the threshold. So I said to him, "Uncle," you're going to get charged 40% tax. You'll get charged 40% tax if you don't set up a trust, basically. So the specific trust that you can use to minimise any inheritance tax, or even actually bring your estate below the threshold. He could see the value in it. He was like, "Yep, brilliant, that's exactly what I need, because the last thing I want is my children paying for any tax." But guess what? He didn't want to pay for it. He goes, no, just do the basic will now, and then we'll do the trust later. I said, "Uncle, trust me, you need this trust to set up. You need it." And he's like, "No, I'll do it another time." So I was like, "Okay, I'll go, these are the risks. Your children will have to pay tax." He's like, "No, we'll do it later." So if you fast forward a year and a half, I got a call from the daughter saying her dad had passed away. "I understand you did the will." I was like, yes, I did." He goes, "But I've had to pay inheritance tax out of my own pocket." I was like, "Okay, how much have you paid?" She said, "I've had to pay around about £13,000. I was like, she said, "Why didn't you minimise the inheritance tax or just get rid of it?" I said, "The advice I gave to your father was he needs to set up a trust so it brings the estate below the threshold, but he just didn't want to pay for it." And there was a moment of silence there. You can tell she was angry, she was upset. The fact that her dad wanted to save on a few £100, where look how much it's cost her in the long run. He saw the value of it, but he just didn't want to pay. He had the money for it, but he just didn't want to pay. She said she took time off work, she had to juggle childcare. Obviously time is money nowadays, and childcare isn't always readily available. She said she had to jump through hoops, she had to pay for the tax herself and claim it back off the estate. So the point I'm making here is, don't leave it to chance. The whole point of making a will is to protect your family, protect your loved ones, and obviously protect yourself. Look at the value of things, because at the end of the day, he's gone now, but his daughter has been left to pick up the pieces. It's taken all that time, and she's not going to be paid as an executor to do with all that heartache, to do with the whole estate, making sure all the beneficiaries get everything. So think about what you need, and think about your loved ones and your children, your family. So it's been an interesting topic today. I will be doing more live videos and more YouTube videos from now on. So I'm here in sunny Leamington Spa. The sun's come out. I am going to be in Leeds on Tuesday, so if anybody is around, I do have a few meetings, but I do have some free time, so anybody wants a free consultation, let me know, message below or email Sri Akaal at sikhwills.com. Again, it's Raj from Sikh Wills. Please like and share. Have a great weekend. Goodbye.